How to recover LinkedIn login. To recover your LinkedIn login, the process depends on whether you have access to your registered email or phone number. So if you still have access to your email or phone number, you could just open LinkedIn onto your device. And you could go ahead and tap on the sign in button, or there you could find forgot password and enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. And go ahead and retrieve the 6-digit verification code sent to your email or mobile device. Just like this, what you need is, I'm just going to quickly sign out of my account. So here, open a LinkedIn app, and there you have sign in with email or continue with Google. Select that out, and as per the password, all you need is just go to forgot password and enter in your credentials in this set. Tap on the next button. Then it's going to send a 6-digit verification code, which you have to enter and reset your password. And that is going to definitely help you log into your LinkedIn account and recover your LinkedIn account. So this is how you're supposed to recover. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.